Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video of a night scenery. Uh, Regarding this, I'll explain step by step. And before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Subscribe and share. Let's dive into video. Welcome to my mesmerizing journey of artistry, where we dive into the depth of the night with oil pastels. Embark on the mesmerizing art of a 6-minute video as we bring to life a captivating night scenery using oil pastels set against a dark wall. The canvas is softly illuminated by a lamp's gentle glow, casting an enchanting ambience over the scene. Watch as the moon emerges, its silver light painting a luminous path across the night sky. The mysterious trees raise their branches, reaching for the heavens, shrouded in an air of quiet mystic. Perched atop the lamp stand, a curious cat adds a touch of whimsy to the composition, its gaze fixed on the moonlight world beyond. And uh, with the deliberate strokes, the moon takes form, illuminate the night with its eternal radiance using light blue, preceded by dark blue also. The trees emerge their silhouette dancing in the moonlight, creating a sense of mystery and depth. And it's add finally. And before that, a curious felon companion graces the scene, perched upon the lamp, adding a touch of enchantment. And the canvas comes alive with the application of oil pastels as shades of indigo, violet, and deep blues evokes the stillness of the night, and each stroke captures the essence of the night, from illuminous moon to the inky shadows that play beneath the trees. Uh, and as the painting takes shape, final touches bring forth a tapestry of texture and detail. The result is a moonlight serenade, a testament to the transformative power of art, capturing the magic and serenity of the light. And behold the moonlight serenade, a testament of the power of capture magic to the night. And the finishing touches add depth and dimension, bringing the night scenery to the life in vivid detail. And from illuminous moon to the inky shadows, the colors are of your choice. My choice was blue, dark blue, preceded by a chocolate brown color for the wall. And finally, we have to touch the trees also as a shade properly by using shades by using your hand or earbuds or whichever whatever you want. And this video invites you to join us in this meditative and inspiring creative process. Whether you are an experienced artist or an budding enthusiast, you will find solace in the evocative beauty of this night scenery painting. So let's pick up our pastels and embark on the enchanting journey together. And you have done it, the night serenade of theme. I hope you guys are love it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Follow for more. Until next time.